Okay, hi everyone. This is Arshad. So we in the previous video we studied the BFS, right? So now let's study the DFS. Okay. So the DFS, let me just. So you just same structure. We are using the graph. Okay. So here output is like we have BFS, right? Means for the BFS, the output is A B C D E, right? For the DFS, I will write the output here. Here the output will come like this: A, then B, then D, then it will come and go back to E, D, B, and E come for E and F, will go back A and go for C. So this is the output where which will be coming on. Okay. So now I have an empty page here. Okay. So in this empty page, we'll write the code again. So we will convert this theory into a practical. So first we want to write the graph with the flower brackets, as we know that A is our first A is our first node. In this first node we will be having B and C, right? Then we have D. Inside the B we have A B D E, right? D and E. Let me verify. Yes. So in the A we have A and B, and in B we have D and E. And I'll put a comma and I will go for the C1. In C we doesn't have anything, so empty. And I will go in a D. In the D, so in the D, okay, in the D we have empty things, and in the E we have F, right? F. So next we have F. In the inside the F we doesn't have anything, so it is empty. So this is the graph. So as we know, this DFS is deep depth first search. It go deep-wise. Let me show again here. It go like this in this format, very depth, and it go for this depth, then it go for this depth. So like this, it go deep-wise. First it complete full depth, and it come back again like that. Okay. So now this follows the stack format. To use the stack, we will use the set. Okay. Set. We will use your set, and I will write a function DFS DFS. We required visited graph and node. So here I will write a condition if node not in not is not in v, then v dot add will add the v and add node, and we'll just print out a particular node with the end. Everybody know this format, right? It's remove spaces. It continues the particular letters. Then I will write a for loop for n neighbor in graph of n. Here I will write a function DFS visit graph and map, and almost done. Here DFS normally v comma g comma and starting one. And I will write here and I will save and I will run it, and as we can see output is here A B D E F. So this is the thing, and this much only. It is very much easy, and all the best. Bye bye. Bye bye.